For the past 2 weeks, I've been viciously stalked and attacked by a red-winged blackbird. So today, we're going to catch it on tape and we're going to fight back. Okay? Alright, this particular blackbird has been named Victor for reasons unknown to me. I've got my eye protection and my rake right here. I'm going to let it attack me from behind. Alright, but don't try this at home, because the murder of a blackbird is a $250,000 fine. So we need to be very careful to not hurt it. Alright, these 3 bushes. Found Victor! Found Victor! Alright, so this is Victor, and this is my bud Victor up here. And it's attacking Michael Stern at the moment. Back up, Victor. Back up. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm turning around.
Does it come out?
Yeah, it's on top of you right now, okay? Alright. Now try to make it pissed off at me.
No, just walk over by the...
I'm walking by the bushes.
Just stand right there. Right, get away.
No! Did it get me yet?
It's coming down at you.
Ah!
Back on the house.
I'm so scared. This is terrifying.
Move. Pick up.
Is it like above me right now?
No, one in that tree up there.
No, it hasn't hit me yet.
No, it just like hovers above you.
It was about 2 feet above your head.
I want it to hit me.
No.
I'm trying to get it to hit me.
Why?
Because then I can legally murder him. I'm kidding, I couldn't get it here, but...
Here's your eyeballs out.
Dude, that's why I got sunglasses on. Think ahead. Come on, Victor. Where'd he go? Is he up in there?
He's up in that tree somewhere.
Alright, that's his other favorite hiding spot.
Let's go find him. I don't see him.
Victor! Where'd you go, bud? Dude, that first shot of him coming at you was like...
That was awesome.
That's going in the video for sure.
Yeah.
Yikes. Did he hit me?
No. He was above you. He was just like fluttering above you.
I don't know how he stands so still. He like hovers.
I know, it's weird.
I want to see if he actually has a nest in here or if he's just being a little murr. Alright, watch out. He might murder us, okay? You
Gotta keep your head on a swivel.
look out, and if he's diving at us, then we're gonna get out of here, okay?
Alright. Oh god, here he comes!
Victor! Bad Victor!
What did you do?
He dove at us. We were trying to see if he even had a nest in there. I didn't see one. Well, I wasn't touching anything. I'm very respectful of Victor's space.
Let's get him.
Up. Up. Alright. Going to be getting a little close to the bush there.
Alright.
If I were to do this, he'd get pissed off. Or not. I thought he would.
Come on, Victor. Oh god, here he comes!
Right, get away.
Did he hit me?
No. He just flutters above you and goes back to his perch on your house. Oh.
Back up. Back up, Victor. In your tree. He doesn't like rakes. Oh, crap. Helmet. I threw a brick at him earlier. He was in that tree, and I got really mad and threw a piece of a brick, and he, like, flew away.
It's a good technique.
Yeah, I think it just made him mad. So.
Everyone knows the rake is the red-winged blackbird's natural predator.
The shovels will have to wait their turn.
Where's he going?
Regrouping!
Ah, across the lake where we can't reach him, of course.
What if a whole colony showed up? Charged.
Everything starts shaking and like Behind the trees.
Cloud.
Yeah.
Just slow down, bro.
Alright.
Alright, I think we should call this shot quits.
Alright. You win this round, Victor.
We'll be back.